Calibration introduces the 8588A reference multimeter, the world's most stable digitizing reference multimeter. Measures a stable 8.5-digit DC voltage in 1 second that will not drift beyond 3.5 ppm in 365 days. Stable measurement is boring. Instrument stability is critical. Designed by metrologists for metrologists, its superb performance is proven in all of its core functions, including DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, DC current, AC current, and frequency. The 8588A's intuitive menu structure, real-time trending and statistics, and expanded measurement capabilities create a delightful user experience. Enough memory to hold 10 million internal readings, which can be graphically displayed simultaneously on the full-color user interface. The 8588A also enables you to copy the measurements to a CSV file via the USB port and transfer the data to a computer for further analysis in only a few seconds. Learn more at flukecal.com.